All right. Good morning. It is February 17th, and I got Figgy with me again today. Yay, Figgy. Hi. Good morning, boo boos. What are you doing? Are you going to hang out? Oh, she knows she's recording. So, yes, it is February 17th, 2021. Vlog 32. Oh, my God. We're just trucking along here. That's pretty awesome. Keep on vlogging every day, right? Um, let's see. What am I talking about today? Let me have some coffee first. Oh, that's good. Actually, it's been freezing lately. It's been in the news. I guess Texas is. I saw a map the other day in Texas, and like every county was frozen over all the way up to the beach. It was kind of crazy. I was like, "What is going on?" We got some serious climate changes going on. It's pretty gnarly. But yeah, that's what's happening in the world today. I'm actually going to say a political thing. Trump got acquitted again from impeachment. It's so funny. Oh well, man, people just get away with craziness. It's so gnarly. I guess that's what it is today, man. People do not take responsibility for their actions. It's so unbelievable. I can't believe that. But anyways, yeah, that's what's happening right now. But life is good. It is outside. Let's look at the weather. Boom. 57 degrees. High is 66. And it is sunny, but it's staying below 70. So it's still a little cool out there. It's that polar vortex. It's messing us up. It's hanging around for a little bit. So Puxtani Phil saw his shadow. So yeah, we're having more winter. Kind of crazy. But actually, today is my brother's birthday. So let's check something out. I want to see if he will answer right now. We shall see. Andre Tim. All right, we're gonna call him, see what's up.
What's up, brother?
What up? Happy birthday. Wait, I gotta do happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear brother of mine. Happy birthday to you. I should have my ukulele with me, but I didn't do it. How's it going, man?
Good. Just working.
Yeah? You busy?
So,
I was
all good.
I was trying to get on your Twitch. What time are you going on today?
I could turn it on probably like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock maybe.
Oh, is that tonight at 8? All right, cool.
Yeah, I did set a reminder for tomorrow night. So
I'm gonna go check it out later. But yeah,
it's only just hanging out and playing games.
you're in my vlog right now, so just letting you know.
Sweet. Hello, Daniel, Tim, vlog people.
How old are you?
Something about that guy.
Yeah, go ahead.
Amazing Air Force pilot.
Can't tell lies now. Actually, I don't know if you have time. No, you know what? I want to tell a story about Andre. Let me see. Andre. When we were younger, we used to always hang out, and sometimes we'd run into like people. I remember I was trying to protect you. I used to always protect you from other guys. So crazy.
There was one time in Hawaii we almost got in a fight.
Oh yeah, I remember that one. Yeah, we were at it was a dance or something, and that guy was
There was a
getting.
dance over on where was it? It was around. I don't know the different areas in Oahu.
I think it was not Waiwa. It was on the
The other side.
west side. It was on the west side, Waiwa, I think. Is
So
it?
we're with that DJ guy.
Yeah, yeah.
I was just dancing, and at the time, you and I were hip hop masters.
Mhm.
I was wannabe.
Oh yeah, that's right. The guy got mad
I was
because.
just dancing by myself, and this other guy, like behind the DJ, just kind of dancing, just behind whatever.
Uh-huh.
And the guy in front of the DJ was kind of looking at me and kind of giving me the look. So I went out there and kind of battled him a little bit.
Uh-huh.
And then when we went to 7-Eleven, that guy kind of wanted to beat me up, and the other guy wanted to beat you up. and we got out of there.
I forgot what I did. I remember we kind of got crazy, and then he didn't want to fight, or I don't know, something happened and we didn't fight. It was so
I think
good.
he took off his shirt for you or something like that.
Yeah, that was hilarious.
I was in middle school. Like either my last year of middle school, or when I was like 14 years old.
Oh yeah. Wasn't that my last year of high school?
Yeah, you're a senior.
Yeah. That was good. Actually, I remember that because me and you, we would take Uncle Anthony's car and drive around.
We went everywhere.
Hey, let's go to the beach.
Crazy.
Oh yeah, we did. We were going to like beaches. Oh yeah, that was fun. Because
It was a good time.
Yeah, it was boogie board. That was me and you too. That was rad.
Yeah.
My last high school. I didn't realize that I spent the whole last summer with you. That's so crazy.
And I think that was the last. Yeah, that was the last time. That was the last time. The next time we went, we're older, and I think Grandma was about to die.
Yeah.
To
No.
go see her.
Oh yeah. That's.
And then after that, it was when Grandma died. We went to the funeral.
Right. How old are you now? No, how old are you now? How old are you now?
I'm 46.
46.
Because you're turning 51 this year, I think.
I'm turning 50. This is my 50, my big 50. That's why I'm doing the vlog, because I want to document the whole year, and
All right.
it's pretty awesome. I'm like, wow. But rad, brother. Happy birthday, man. 46.
Hey, bro.
Oh my God, what are you doing today?
Well, I have work all day. I have to work, and then I have a thing I have to go to, and I have a class tonight. And then I'm gonna meet up with my brother-in-law and some friend, and my two brother-in-laws and my friend. We're just gonna hang out tonight online, and then just be chill. The rest of the family are going to the mountains, so I'm like, glad to be at school and have things to do.
Yeah. I want to go see the snow, since there's a lot of it right now. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's all I'm doing.
All right. Well, cool, brother. I just wanted to say happy birthday. Give everybody my love.
All right.
And you enjoy your fabulous day, Mr. 46. You're awesome.
Not as old as you, Mr. Vlog.
World of Warcraft. I gotta add, maybe they have World of Warcraft on Mac, right?
Yeah, they do.
Woo-hoo.
You try
Ooh.
it out. Mac's not known for really good gameplay, so.
Oh wait, though. Wait till I get my new Mac. I'm gonna get the Mac M1, probably the Mini for now, and then wait till for the new ones to come up. But.
All right, let me know. Yeah, I usually play on Thursday nights. So like once a week, I'm just playing, just hanging out with people, and then I turn on my Twitch and.
I know you have a PC, right? You
Yeah,
have
I
a
have PC.
What are you rocking right now?
Right now, I have the biggest thing is my graphics card. My graphics card was the biggest one. I got a RXT 36. This 37.
Oh, okay.
I forgot what it was. Anyways, I got the second highest
What processor?
processor. My processor is a i5. I think I got an i7.
i7. Oh, okay. No, I just been checking those out because I thought, like, if I get a new Mac, because I wanted to get a Windows, but now just to play games. But the new Mac M1s are rad. They can jam on the AAA games. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, that's fun.
Through emulation, through parallels, and I saw it on WoW. Like they were getting 60 frames per second on M1. I'm like, yeah, oh, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's pretty gnarly. I'm like, oh my God. I forgot how they were doing it through WoW. I think WoW you can play straight up, but like the other ones you have to do it like through emulator. Well, they have parallels and all that other stuff. But what's happening is the the Windows games are actually running better on the Windows Parallel than on a Windows machine. I was like, what?
Yeah.
No, it's pretty gnarly. I'm like, wow. With integrated graphics. No graphics card. None.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and it's fast and faster than some of the graphics cards with those big, massive, beefy things. I'm like, holy crap, dude. New world, dude.
Yeah. New world.
A whole new world. But yeah, that's our tech talk. See, I like talking tech with my brother because he can understand.
I really, because I made a computer recently, and it's not high end, but it's pretty up there.
Mm-hmm.
RTX 3070 was the one I got.
How much did it cost for the whole thing?
It was like 1900. Actually, I have an i5.
I thought it would be cheaper though.
No, because I got a lot of the high end stuff, higher end stuff. I could have got the i9s, but I didn't need it. I was just trying to stay within my budget.
No, I hear you. I hear that.
I just got it. So yeah, it's been going well with me.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, good, brother. I'm glad everything's good. All the kids are fine. Tracy's doing good.
Great.
All right.
So,
Well,
yeah, thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
yeah, happy birthday. You're the man. I will talk to you soon. Catch you on Twitch and all that other stuff. But yeah.
All right, bro. Nice hearing from you.
Yeah, you have a good one. Talk to you soon.
All right,
Later. Well, that was my bro. Yeah. That was my brother. So yes, awesome. I got to say hi to my bro. That's so cool. Happy birthday, brother. 46. Woo. So he's 6 years younger. Wow, that's kind of crazy. 4 years younger. I'm so learned. Let's see. Well, that was fun. Let's go back to yesterday. Oh, yesterday was pretty amazing. I woke up kind of crazy. We won't talk about it. But what I learned yesterday is it's funny how things can turn around in one day. So didn't start out good, but it's turned out okay in the end. But yesterday I actually cleaned the house. It was kind of, look at those floors. Aren't they nice? Let's see. Nice floors. I cleaned that. And then, let's see. And it was just video render day. It took me all day to render 8 videos. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, I got my videos done, my first part of it. And then today, yeah, actually yesterday was just all video editing. That's all I did. Yesterday was kind of crazy. But Kaylee, ooh, it's Jeremy month, and she didn't, or it's Jeremy time, and yeah, it was bad yesterday. I had to go to go get her some medicine. So, but she's good this morning. So I'm glad she was fine. She was hurting last night. It was kind of crazy. But other than that, let's see what else I got. What did I learned today? Things can turn around in one day. Darling. Yeah, that was my Tuesday. Today, what do I got? I have to do more videos. Actually, I'm going to Dave's today, probably around 2 o'clock. We'll see. Dave, if you're listening, or actually you're not listening right now, but yeah, I'll probably see Dave later at 2, and we're going to film some more videos for our II community, so that should be fun. And then it's more editing. Today's Wednesday. Oh yeah, and then I have the Ook social today, so that's gonna be pretty rad. I also have to do my 100-day song, and honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I might just pick out of a hat again today. We'll see what happens. And then, yeah, and then the Ook social, and yeah, that should be my night tonight. So yeah, it's a good Wednesday. It's looking sunny outside, and I think that's all I have for you today, or have for me. I should say, have for me today. I'm trying to think of anything else. No, that's all I got. It's February 17th, 2021. Vlog 30. Did I say 32? Yes, I did say 32. And we are just trucking along this year. It's, wow, February. Woo. Time flies when you're vlogging. All I got for you guys today. So, like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Carrie? Oh, she must be working. She's working. I just wanted to see if she had anything. But she is working, so every day, keep on strumming ukulele. See you tomorrow.